Hey guys, we're back out here on the river today. It's Sunday, June 9th, and we just wanted to give you an update on the river and where it was at this point. We're back out here at the bridge. It walks across, so you can walk across and over near the Clinton Library. And just wanted to show a little bit of this RV park after the water is receding. Looks like the water ate away some of the RV spots there where the power was connected. The river's going down. It's gone down quite a bit. I'm pretty sure it's still a flood stage, but it's nowhere near what it was. You can see where it's washed all this silt up. Walk on this other side here.
Receded a lot.
All right, guys, we're back down here at the river at the Junction Bridge here on the North Little Rock side.
Oh.
And you can see how the water's receded substantially. I think the river level is at 23 and a half feet, which is still flood stage. 23 feet is flood stage, so but you can clearly see the difference. All these pipe ballards here, you can see them now. You can see the water line on that building over there. How high the water got on it. And of course all the sand that's washed up on the river trail here. This is a look, of course, down the river trail along the river. And you can see definitely how much calmer the water is now. Over here on the Little Rock side of the river by the Clinton Library. We'll walk down by the river here and see what the aftermath looks like on the Little Rock side. All right, guys, we're down here on the river, and the river level is at 19 and a half feet right now. And I just want to show y'all this walkway down through here and how high the water actually got. You can see this walkway through this wetland area. And the pavilions out here. If you look close, you can see the sand up on the roofs of them. And this walkway here, how high the water got. You can see the leaves and stuff washed up on the grass here. See the walkway still underwater down there. This is the Presidential Park wetlands walk area. And you can see here that quite a bit of it's still underwater. See all this debris. Where it washed through here. That's the I-30 bridge there. Wow, look at the size of this elderberry bush. Looks like it's going to survive the flood. You can see that debris on the grass right there, how high the water got. Down here on the Southeast River Trail. We're at Burns Park Golf Course now, and you can see down through this low spot how high the water got through the golf course here. Here's some more of Burns Park Golf Course, and I took a video right in here on one of the other videos. You can see what that water did rushing through here. We're still in Burns Park Golf Course, and you can see, almost looks like somebody walked through here and sprayed Roundup. The water set for so long. I'll show you this other side. You can also see over here where it flooded too, and how high the water got. And it's amazing how it just killed all the vegetation. It's the Burns Park archery course, archery range. You can just see how high the water got through here.